Hello YouTube. Welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you like what you see, please hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put new videos out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to have you here in my kitchen. So today I'm actually feeling pretty good. I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm getting around to actually fix something to eat. So it's been a few days since I've really cooked anything, so I'm pretty excited to be feeling good enough to cook something. So today's meal is going to be really simple. This is one of my favorite things to eat. So I'm going to take some skinless smoked sausage and just cut it into about 1/2-inch rounds. And then I'm going to take a jar of home canned green beans. Now you can use fresh green beans or canned green beans, whatever you got. But I pressure canned these myself back in May of 22. So I'm excited to be using up a jar of these. And I'm using a jar of potatoes. I actually can these myself. I cut them into pretty big sized wedges. That way I could either use them for French fries or put them in whatever I want. But I also canned these back in May of 22. So I'm going to use that. And I'm just going to drain the water off of the green beans and the potatoes. And I'll pat the potatoes dry on a paper towel. I might do that with the green beans as well, just to get some of that extra liquid off of them. And I'm going to toss everything into the air fryer and just let it cook for maybe about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And that is going to be my meal for today. I'm really excited. Potatoes, green beans, and smoked sausage is one of my favorite meals to have. If I have fresh onion, I'll usually add a fresh onion to it. I might sprinkle some onion powder or some seasoned salt on it, but otherwise I just throw everything in the air fryer and just cook it until the potatoes are nice and crispy. So I'm really excited for this meal, and I will bring you guys back when we're ready to taste. So I'll see you guys back right about now. Alright guys, this just beeped, which means it's time to flip my food. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. Oh my goodness. I am beyond speechless. So let me set you down there. I'm going to carefully flip this because I don't want to break my potatoes up too much. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And I think I'm going to grab my cooking spray and hit this one more time with just a little bit of spray. Just a little. And back in for another 10 minutes, and I will bring you back when it's time to plate this up. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. Oh My goodness. Look at this. Look at that. I am beyond speechless, guys. There are no words. Let me push that back a little bit. Oh my goodness, y'all. Get this in the sink. And look at that food. Look at this, guys. Can you even imagine what this is going to taste like? Just look at her for a minute. I'm beyond excited right now, so let's get to the table and let's give this a try. All right, guys, look again at this yummy plate of food. Home canned potatoes, home canned green beans, and smoked sausage. This is so simple. All right, let's give this a taste. Let me bring you back up here. All right, got my fork, got my food. Let's give this a try. Okay, I'll get some smoked sausage. Go for a couple, whoops, sorry guys, that was my neighbor's car. Some green beans, bite of potato. Little bit of everything on my fork. Here we go. Let's blow it off first because it is pretty hot. All right, here goes my bite. Mm. Oh my goodness, y'all. It is that good. Everything is so perfect. And of course, the potatoes were already done because they were pressure canned. Mm-hmm. Oh, you guys, this is so good. I used up 4 jars of food. Everything was from the food pantry except the sausage, which I got on sale. Green beans are fried perfectly. Oh, potatoes. Mm. This meal makes me so happy. We ate this a lot in the summertime because it was cheap. My mom could feed a lot of kids without a lot of work involved. So, drop the fork. Woo! Here comes the happy dance. Woo! This is amazing. And the only cleanup I have to do is a cutting board, a knife, and spray out my air fryer basket with some more water. All this needs is some rub with some butter on it. If you have it, maybe a side salad. It doesn't even need it. So this meal gets 2 thumbs up. I am so gonna sit and enjoy this meal. This kind of meal makes me happy. This meal is childhood for me. Yeah. So that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. Thank you so much for being here today. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite childhood meals were growing up. Where did you guys have to scrape and scrimp to get by? Did your parents pretty much have to use what they had or grow what you ate? Let me know in the comments what your favorite childhood meal is that you still fix today that makes you smile. So I hope you all are having a great week. Thank you for a great live show on Tuesday night. We do that every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I hope to see you on the next one. And I will end this by saying, be safe, be happy, be blessed. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye.